Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor presented by PHP Frameworks team. I am Sanjay. We are learning WordPress WP query beginner tutorial and this is our part 2. In this video session guys, we will see that how can we filter up our post by using author parameters. And also guys, if you are a beginner to the channel, then please don't forget to subscribe and keep watching our previous video sessions to get the clear concept about WordPress WP query beginner tutorial. So basically guys, in our first part we had seen that if you go to editor, this is the file that we have created. Inside this file guys, we have written some sort of code in which we have filtered our products from our WP database table. So what actually we have written, we have put some conditions like post type equal to post and post status should be published, and this is a standard loop of have post. By using this loop and by putting all the conditions inside WP query, we have taken all the WP posts from our WP list table. So if you go to our browser, this is our front end page, and now as we can see that sample post 2, sample post 1 and all the details hello world, these are the posts that we have created inside post section. As we can see that these are the posts we have fetched successfully at the front end page. So this is the standard loop. By using this loop actually guys, we have fetched all the details. So how can we means if we want to suppose take all the data on the behalf of author parameters, suppose we have 5 authors. All the authors created different posts. So how can we differentiate that which post actually created by which author? So let's create a scenario for that. So just back to administrator panel, go to user section. Let's create first of all 3 different authors. So let's say that admin, let's say 2 at gmail.com, or simply it's a username, so admin2 at gmail.com. First name, let's say admin2, and basically we are not going to provide any details, and finally set password, so let's say admin2, and let's click on this confirm use of weak password, and finally we are going to make this user as administrator. Okay, so finally click on add new user. So by clicking on this guys, we have created a new administrator for our WordPress setup. Again I'm clicking on this and let's create that admin3. This is a username, and also let's say admin3 at gmail.com. let's say admin3. We are not going to pass again all these data, so password, let's say admin3, confirm use of weak password, and finally uncheck that, and let's say that this is also administrator. Click on add new user. Successfully guys, we have created 2 other administrator instead of this our WP administrators. Right now we have 3 admins of this WordPress setup. So we are going to create multiple posts inside this post section by the help of these administrators. Okay, so first of all we are currently logged in as this admin, so click on post section. So now by taking consideration of this admin, we have 3 posts which is belongs to the currently logged in administrator. Just I am doing logged out to the current user, so log out. And let's log in with admin2 details, so admin2, and this is admin2. So if we go to the post section, as we can see that the post again resides, but this time this post does not created by any admin2. This is created by admin. So let's create another post for this admin. So let's say that admin2 sample post 1. This is created by admin2, and also if I use this Chrome extension to get the dummy data, so just I'm click that, select rows and columns, paste it here, and now just click on publish button. Successfully we have created another post for admin2. So let's say that admin2 sample post 2. Again I'm pasting it here, click on publish. Successfully we have created another post. So if I back to all posts, as we can see that these are the posts that we have created. Now as we can see inside author section, we have that these 3 posts created by admin and these 2 posts will be created by admin2. So we can differentiate by author section. Let's create by admin3 some posts. So again I am going to log out, and let's say that admin3 and password admin3. Just go to post section, click on add new, and let's say that admin3 sample post 1. Again I'm pasting dummy contents, clicking on publish, Let's create another post. So let's admin3 sample post 2. I am pasting dummy contents. So basically guys, we have created different posts with different author IDs. So how can we take all the data of these posts according to author meta? Move towards front-end page. So if I reload this front-end section, as we can see that we have all posts that we have created either by admin3, by admin2, all created by admin. So basically this is the loop, this is the standard loop which is fetching details according to these conditions. So here we have not passed any author parameters. So we want that by specifying any specific author, how can we get the details of that particular author? So for that, basically guys, we have to pass one more parameter inside this array. What actually that parameter is? That parameter contains the details of author. So it should be something author, and inside this author key we have to pass our author ID. So if you go to database table, so now inside WP users, because we have created 3 different users as admin user role. So inside user table, let me zoom that. As we can see that we have 3 users with user ID called 1, 2 and 3 correspondingly. So how can we use these user IDs to fetch our post detail? So if we want to suppose take all the details, all the posts created by admin2. So admin2 has a user ID of 2. So just back to, and now let me pass here it as 2. So basically we have differentiated all the posts which has post type post, publish and the post created by our admin2. So just save this file, go to browser, reload this page. Now as we can see that we have currently all the posts which is created by our admin2 user role. Instead of these posts, we are not getting all the posts that we have created so far. This is how guys actually we can differentiate by using this author parameter. So if we want to suppose want to fetch all the details of the post created by author 3, so just save this page, load this section, and now as we can see that admin3 sample post 1, admin3 sample post 2. So these all posts created by our admin3 which has a user ID called 3. So now here we have a question. Question is that if suppose we want to fetch the details of post of admin2 and admin3, so how can we fetch that? So we have a solution also. So just back to editor. If we want to fetch the details of post admin2 and admin3, just we have to pass the author ID separated by comma. So if I save this page, go to browser, reload this section. So as we scroll down, these are the posts created by admin3. So if I scroll down, as we can see that admin2 post also coming along with the ID that we have passed. So just back to editor. So now this is the syntax guys to use and to get all the posts with these IDs. Now the question is that we don't want any post created by our admin3. So how can we restrict that? So just admin3 has a user ID 3, okay? We don't want any post created by this admin. So for that we have to just pass minus symbol in front of this user ID, just a minus symbol. So if I save this page, go to front end section, and now as we can see that here we are not getting any post related with our admin3. We actually get the post created by our admin and admin2. So if I reload this page, now as we can see that hello world, sample post 1, sample post 2, these are the created by admin. So if I scroll up, admin2 sample post 1, admin2 sample post 2 created by our user role admin2. Here we are not getting any post related with our admin3. So this is how we can restrict by putting minus symbol in front of the user ID actually. So now what we have next? Instead of author ID, we have another option to fetch all the details relating to our authors. So we have key called author name. Inside author name guys, we have to pass the author nickname. So if we go to our database table, just scroll here, as we can see that user nickname, this is author nickname. So by putting any specific author nickname, we can actually fetch all the details relating to that author. So let's pass admin2. So let me say that if I make comment of this line, and let's say that admin2, this is admin2 nickname. So if I save this file, go to browser, reload this page, and now as we can see that all the posts created by admin2 we are getting. Again, if you want to get all the details of admin2, admin3, it will give all the details of post of admin3 as well as admin2, just putting comma in front of these nicknames. So just and reload this section. Now nothing appears. Let me check that. And this is because, guys, as I think that this method does not provided by WordPress. So along with that, we have another option to get all the details corresponding to our multiple authors, and this is something called author underscore underscore not in. This is that if you want to suppose we want to pass some parameters inside array, and let's say that 2 and 3, it means that the author's IDs, if it belongs to inside this array means 2 and 3, then the post does not we get inside our front end page. We get only the author ID 1. It means that author not in contains any ID, then post will not be appear on our front end page. So we have restricted our admin2 and admin3 by putting this author not in parameter. So if I save this page, go to browser, reload this section, as we can see that here we have all the posts created by our admin. So we have restricted our admin2 and admin3 by putting this key called author not in. So let's make another key, something we have called author in. It means that author underscore underscore in. It means that we want to get all the details of post of either author ID 2 and author ID 3. So if I save this page, go to browser, reload this section, as we can see that all the author details are coming instead of author 1. So these are the options, guys. By passing all these parameters inside our conditional array, we can filter out all the posts created by our different user roles. So these are the possible ways to actually put inside these conditional arrays. So by the help of this video session, guys, we actually understood about that how can we get our different posts created by our different authors. So if you have any doubt in this video session, guys, then please drop your comment. I will give my reply as soon as possible. So for this video session, guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day.